Best Temu products to resell. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what are these products. So first of all, open up your Temu account, then simply click on this option of search and then search for thank you stickers. You can either search for thank you stickers for small businesses or just simply search for thank you stickers. And these are the stickers that I'm talking about. They are dirt cheap on Temu, so you can simply purchase it from Temu and resell it on different platforms. You can easily find them to be more than $4 on Amazon or some different platforms, so you can just simply buy them for around $1.78 or $1.48 and easily resell for more than $4.5 on other platforms. So this would come out to be a $3 profit, and some expenses can also be taken care of in this. So just one sale will fetch you more than the MRP of this particular product. It is quite good, you can simply purchase it. And the other products are Lego. When you search for Lego, make sure that you're searching it for kids aged between 8 to 13. There are some Lego sets which are absolutely cheap. You can easily sell them for more than $20 or $25 on other platforms. So just purchase them for under $10 or around $10 and resell them for more than $25 or $20. It would fetch you good amount of profit, and there is also a demand for it. The best way to find these products on Temu is by comparing the prices of Temu products with the prices of other platforms like Amazon, eBay or other online stores. This way you would be able to find some really good products on Temu which are absolutely low cost as compared to the same products which are of higher MRP on other platforms. So these were one of the best products to resell on Temu. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.